We would like to present CoronaWhy common research and data infrastructure for open science. The idea of this platform is to reuse all available knowledge that was produced by humanity in open projects, facilitate the collaboration between different nations, and reuse the same infrastructure not only for COVID-19 research, but for other important challenges like cancer or global warming. We have Harvard Data Commons as a foundation that allows all CoronaWhy members to work together. We're building different services and running experimental labs, and our data infrastructure is something common and reusable, a place where all researchers are sharing the same resources. It's built on top of Dataverse data repository developed by Harvard University. Medical components like biological expression language deployed as a service combined with other tools for statement extraction. Our final goal is to create knowledge graph for different disciplines like bioinformatics, economic and social history, and link different ontologies at the basic level. It will allow to extract new knowledge and get new insights that can help researchers. This distributed and scaled infrastructure should follow the reproducible science principles. We want to use all components produced by medical and other communities and build artificial intelligence pipeline completely from open source components and publicly available machine learning models. We don't want to put any limitation only by using coronavirus models. The idea is to make it generic and suitable for all researchers in the common CoronaWhy collab. Human in the loop is a very important concept for us because we want to do an evaluation of every single step of machine intelligence. Next to NLP pipeline, we have two different annotation services, Hypothesis and Arcana. We should be able to retrain all models after human validation and reuse them for different types of research.